In this LinkTube review, I'm going to walk you through the software itself. I'm going to show you everything you need to know step by step. So what is actually LinkTube? LinkTube lets you build a smart page to host all your link and track performance right from your mobile phone. You can also measure your click-through rates, analyze engagement trend, and run retargeting ads to boost your sales. So who's actually suitable for LinkTube? LinkTube is actually suitable for content creator, marketing agency, and e-commerce shops that want to drive site traffic to different URL. So without wasting much time, let me jump into the screen and show you LinkTube itself. But before that, if let's say you want to purchase LinkTube itself, I actually have a link in my description box right below. Go ahead and use my link to purchase LinkTube. So what you're actually looking at is actually the interface of LinkTube. On the left, you can actually see a quick tour. It's actually a 3-minute tour to show you how LinkTube works itself. So over here, you can actually see the get started. So you can actually see there's a tons of template for your smart page. Okay, so there's actually categorized into different categories like beauty, health, restaurants, travel, fashions, online store, influencer, music, sports, creative, educations, event, or business. In any case, if you do not find your niche over here, do not worry, you can actually choose any of the template over here. You can actually edit everything, which I'm going to show you later, or you can actually edit from scratch itself. Okay, so for this demo, let me go into influencer. So in any case, if you love this template, you can actually do a preview first. Okay, so let me just do a preview and show it to you. So this is the preview of this smart page. Okay, so if let's say you want to use this, just press select. Okay, so from here you can put in your username. Let me just put in my channel name, Top SaaS Review, then press add. So this is the page where you can actually edit everything over here. So on the top you can actually see the dashboard. You can actually add. So you can actually add a button, add a video or product, text, dynamic feed, social link, messaging link, or newsletter. Okay, so there's also some settings. There's actually settings for appearance, custom theme, default button style, default card style as well, or content. You can actually add in the SEO profile title, description. So there's actually GDPR, CCPA compliance, sensitive comments. You can actually remove LinkedIn branding as well. So there's actually some advanced settings. You can actually customize your page URL. You can actually add in your analysis tracking pixel or UTMI parameters. Okay, so this is actually a setting. So the very first thing you need to do is actually change your avatar. Okay, so you can actually change your avatar here. Let me just choose a random thumbnail which I created earlier on. So I just change this to my own face or your store logo itself. So for name, you can actually edit as well. Let me change to my own YouTube channel name, and you can also change your description. Okay, then you just press save. So this is so easy, but you can just click and then edit into your own style or your company name or your YouTube channel or your e-commerce store. Okay, so for here also it's the same. Put in your email address. Let me just put in my email address, gmail.com, or your mobile number. Let me just put in a random. Also that you can actually put in your Facebook Messenger username, okay, WhatsApp number, Telegram username, and Skype. Okay, so after you add in, you press save, they will actually appear everything over here. Okay, in any case, if you want to delete, of course, you just press delete over here. So you can actually watch your latest video over here. Let me just edit. Okay, you can actually put in your video over here. I actually have my video. Let me just copy the link itself. Let me just add in my video here, so we can actually see how it looks like. Okay, so this is actually another review of which I did. So you can actually put in under button. You can actually have this under button, or you can actually under tiles, or actually under cards itself. Okay, so on the bottom you can actually have the appearance. You can actually see the appearance. You can actually have a custom style. You can actually change the colors, the gradient. You can actually put alignment, text color as well. So if let's say you want to choose to this shape, okay, this shape, then you will change to this shape, or you want to change to this shape, it will just change to this shape. Okay, or you're going to put into global style or theme-based style. Okay, what I prefer is actually custom style. I prefer this. Okay, you can actually change this as well. All right, so you can actually schedule this as well. So you can actually schedule the start date, start time, expiry date, expiry time, or you can just select the time zone. You can also animate this. You can actually put in, you see, the animation, or you can actually put bounce or heartbeat itself. All right, there's also more. You can actually hide the link as well, or you can actually add an icon as well. If let's say you want to change to tiles, you can actually change to tiles, or you can actually change to card. Okay, anytime you can actually change all these selections. Once you are happy with this, maybe I choose the button, I just save. So right now, you see, it's actually saved. Okay, so the next thing I want to edit is this part itself. So another YouTube video. Let me just press edit. I can just save another YouTube video. Okay, let me just copy this. Then once it's actually loaded, so you can actually replace your thumbnail. You can actually choose another thumbnail. Let me just choose this thumbnail. Okay, and then you can maybe just select, you just crop your pictures and just upload. Okay, either you can use a thumbnail or you can actually use the video thumbnail itself. So the appearance, schedule, animate, and more is actually the same. Okay, so you will actually change based on your requirement. So you can actually add subscribe to my channel. If let's say you have a channel name, okay, let me just name my channel. So it's the same. So you can actually add in your icon, delete a link, do the appearance, schedule it, animate, or more. So you can actually, maybe at this time around, I'll just put into tiles and just save it. Okay, so you can actually do all the editing over here. So it's actually very simple. In any case, if you want to have a partnership request, you can also edit. You can put in your URL. Okay, let me just put in the URL also. This time around, I just choose card. Okay, you can actually edit everything here, and then I just press save. Okay, so this is actually the social share as well. You can actually edit everything. You can put in your Facebook username, Instagram username, or YouTube channel URL, and then I just press save as well. Okay, so once if you do not want, just delete. In any case, you want to add more session or you want to add newsletter, you can actually add. Or you can add some product. Okay, you can add your product. You can actually paste in your product URL and then your price label and then your thumbnail, and then you can actually add your product as well also. Okay, so there's actually a lot of possibility over here. Add a product, you can actually add a dynamic fade text as well. Maybe I add a text. Okay, maybe demo text. Okay, then you just add. Okay, so demo, so you can actually add a text. Once you do not want, you can also delete here. Okay, if let's say you're happy with this, okay, you can actually publish your Smartpage itself. Publish my page over here on the top right, just publish it. Okay, so once it's done, you can actually copy this URL, and then you can actually have a QR code as well. So you can actually print or share it below QR code with your audience. They can open this Smartpage after scanning the QR code. Let me go back to the main dashboard itself. So you can actually see the analysis, the overall statistic, the total number of views, total number of click, and the click-through rates. Okay, that's actually the graph itself. Then you can actually see the published link, how many clicks, how many click-through rates. So the next thing which I'm going to show you is actually the price itself. Okay, this is actually an appsumo deal. At this first tier is actually $49. You can build 5 smart page, 2 projects, 50 titles, 25 videos, 15 products, 2 dynamic fix, 10 premium fix, 5 custom /tag, 2 custom domain, 2 teammates, 5 priority animation, and 100k track clicks itself. Let's say you want to increase, you can actually increase to second tier at $98 or third tier at $147. So I actually strongly suggest you actually get the third tier, which actually costs $147. You can actually have a lot of more smart pages. You can actually add more team members. You can actually check 1.5 million click-through itself. In any case, if you need more, of course, it's actually, you can actually add in more codes over here, 3 codes, 4 codes, or 5 codes itself. So if let's say you want to purchase this LinkTube, go ahead and use my link in the description box. It comes to my review for this LinkTube. I actually hope you learned something from me. So in any case, if you want to watch more software review, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So meanwhile, to the next video, I will see you. Goodbye and take care.